Spring cleaning is certainly something that is trending this time of year, but typically we're talking about your home or your office, but this morning we're spring cleaning your skin, and to help us out is Elena from Elena Organics. Good morning, good to see you.
Good morning, good
Cassandra
to see
with you as well, right?
Yes, she's our model.
Good to see you guys. So it's not just the house we're talking about. We got to take care of all this.
Exactly, because during this exhausting winter, we end up eating some comfort foods, which not necessarily healthier foods. And that's why usually in the end of winter, we end up with extra pounds, wrinkles, and pimples. And skin is our largest eliminating organ, and it reflects the health of the entire body. So we need to start cleaning from within.
Cleaning from within, okay.
And the best way to do it with organic spring fresh vegetable and fruits.
Okay.
And we'll start with artichokes. Artichokes, I made artichoke tea. Let's try it.
Let's try it.
It's
Cheers.
Really, cheers. It's a very, very detoxifying.
Oh, I feel better already.
Cleansing. It has some powerful antioxidants and detox agents like silymarin and cynorine. They scientifically been proven. Artichoke been used for health and beauty since ancient times. Okay. And to make this tea, it's very easy. You can put like a gallon of water, a couple of artichokes, and boil it. Okay. Technically, it's called plant decoction because when you boil it for 15 20 minutes, it's decoction, but we call it tea. And you can keep it in the refrigerator afterwards for 5 days and drink a cup or two a day. Okay. While you're cooking your tea, we need to prep our skin for rejuvenation. Okay. And we will start with papaya. First of all, papaya is a tropical fruit which is filled with beauty vitamins and antioxidants. It's the best thing for breakfast. Try it.
All right.
Okay.
You want me to try?
Yes.
She's telling me I have to try it. All right. I'll try it.
It's the best food for breakfast. It has papaya enzymes which helps our digestion system, and it also helps to exfoliate our skin.
Now, what is Cassandra doing right now?
She's
not eating it.
But while we prep the papaya for breakfast, we use the papaya peels, and we can do it on your hand. You will feel how your hand will start feeling softer because that papaya will, you can do it, Mike.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yes, and we can do it on the face, we can do it on the entire body, on your arms.
What'd you do at work today? I rubbed my hand with papaya.
Yes, and after a while, like after few minutes, you notice like your skin is glowing.
Down.
It's okay. But I'm wiping your hand, and now you will feel it's not only softer, but also it has little kind of sun-kissed glow because all of these antioxidants giving you that wonderful kind of sun-kissed look, especially we're so pale in after winter.
Okay.
Yes, we're prepping our papaya, our face with papaya, and we made it ready for our artichoke mask. And artichoke mask, it's very easy to mix. We can use organic flour with artichoke tea. And you see, Cassandra already pre-mixed it. You just mix it like this, and that's it. Ooh la la.
And that makes that color
Yes, it's the color is artichoke.
Okay.
Yes, and you just applying it, what she's doing, on your face, and you can keep it for a few minutes. And even after a few minutes, you will notice how skin gets brighter. It's improving the texture. Okay. And when you're drinking artichoke tea and applying the mask, it's really beneficial for all skin types. For extremely dry complexion, you need to put a little bit of olive oil in it. But for problem complexion, you will see reduction of all kind of breakouts.
So how long would she leave that on for?
For a few minutes, 5-10 minutes, and she can remove it with those washcloths which been soaked in artichoke tea.
Okay.
And we will remove it and prepare. Yeah, Cassandra, you can do it too. Yes, we'll remove it and prep your skin. Look how skin is looking brighter already.
Wow.
You see, after a few seconds, but if you leave it for 5 minutes, it would be even more.
Right.
It's improving the texture. It's especially beneficial for problem acne complexion too. And now her skin is ready for her favorite moisturizer, and she will apply her favorite moisturizer, and we need to complete our facial with application of sunblock because it's very important to start protecting our skin in early spring before we got that sun damage because it's so much easier to prevent.
So if people want to find you, where can they find you? ElenaOrganics.com. It's my website. We have spa in Kalamazoo, in Chicago, and I'm making my products in West Michigan, in Kalamazoo. Very good. Good to see both of you. Elena, good to see you.
Thanks for being here this morning. Thank you very much, Mike.
You bet.